Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can call a horse in Bear Divine's Meet. So basically what you'll need to do is press on the PlayStation middle button, the biggest one, as you can see, this one. And what you'll need to do is basically click and hold it, and then just at one time try and press rectangle, and as you can see you'll call a horse. On the computer what you'll need to do is just press S6 on your keyboard and you'll basically get same thing. He will whistle and you'll get a horse. For the Xbox what you'll need to do is basically just click same button, and then what you'll need to do is probably click on B or X. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.